Do you mute yourself after joining a meeting, very important one, and then regret it after that you didn't say anything? You just joined as a participant. Your mind screams with ideas, but your mouth stays shut. Your fear sounding very stupid, being judged, and at the same point of time getting shut down by the seniors in the team. Trust me, you're not the only one. But the choice is yours whether you want to stay in that particular group or not. Why this happens to a lot of us? The major reason is your brain is trying to protect you from embarrassment, playing some old memories where you are being judged, corrected, or ignored. So what to do? Because you have to participate, right? You have to open up yourself, and then you'll be able to contribute and make your presence visible and felt. Do this trick once and see the difference. Before the meeting, if you get at least 1 minute of time, write down one point that you will mention, forgetting about all the embarrassment and previous things. And when the time comes or the opportunity, unmute yourself and start with, "May I add one quick point to this?" And then deliver what you want to say, the point which you had written. Read the lines maybe multiple times if you need to, but you have to. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is participation. Talk. Try this simple technique at least for 7 days or maybe 7 meetings in a row and see the difference. Believe me, I was one of them. But I took myself out of that particular group maybe 15 years ago. It did work for me. It did work for a lot of people. It will definitely work for you. Try it once and share your findings and whether you have made the difference or not. Thank you for watching. Psychosocial. Break the barriers.